Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Between Two Racks. I'm your host, Pat Kittredge, and joining me again today is our application specialist for furniture, Dean Whelan. Dean, thanks for combing your hair today.
Thanks for showing up, Pat.
It's my job. So, Dean, last time you were here, we were actually wearing the same clothes. How ironic. But we talked about...
It's Monday.
But we talked about our different furniture finish offerings. We talked about T-lam, thermal laminate, great word. Look it up in the dictionary. HPL and Veneer. You need to speak into your microphone.
It isn't a word.
You can find that video by clicking right here. I'm going to add that on the YouTube. So HPL and Veneer, we discussed being able to match existing furniture, right? So if a customer has a Formica, again, we didn't get permission to use their name, but thank you for letting us use it. If you get a Formica color, we can match it on our furniture. If you have a veneer color and species, you can send us a sample, we can match it. Now, what if we have a customer, or our viewers have a customer who want to match a color, but they also want to match a shape or design of existing furniture? What do we have to solve that problem?
Well, we have them covered. Just to go back a little bit, any high-pressure laminate material by any of the manufacturers in general, we can get our hands on. We can put that on for you in the same lead time as one of the materials that we would stock. And the veneer does require a sample. We ask for a 5x5 sample of the veneer, and we could produce a counter sample and get that matched.
Thanks for reminding our viewers, just in case they didn't watch.
Just for clarification. Yep. As for outside of that, we have something we call a Millworkers Kit. And that is a kit of the hardware that mounts the skins to our products, our C5, L5, or C3.
Now, when you say skins... What?
Well, it's not actual skin. It is a wood covering. So in case you haven't seen the framed furniture video, you can see that here. Framed furniture. That means we produce a metal frame that has the same type of thermal power storage and cable management components in it as our racks do. And we will sell the hardware that will attach the wood to that frame, along with drawings that'll allow a millworker to go drop the DXFs into their machinery and produce wood kits for our products. This way, if there's a different design, or if you have a millworker who's already on the project and is producing millwork for elsewhere within the facility, you can have them produce millwork of the same type and quality as the wood in the rest of the building. Okay. So it's a very cool option.
Yeah, very cool. So ultimate flexibility and freedom, I guess, and we're providing them with the appropriate drawings and hardware, and then building it around like you said, our frame, which we cover power and thermal and cable management. We call that the AV foundation here at Middle Atlantic. So that's really great, really great solution.
So if one of our 60 finishes is not enough, we can provide custom finishes by procuring HPL material for you, matching a veneer for you, or you can find a millworker to produce custom skins for our furniture frames.
Awesome. And by skins, we mean wood sides, wood tops. Dean, as always, riveting content. Thanks for stopping by. Really appreciate it. Folks, don't forget to comment on our videos if you have any questions or want to hear us talk about other topics. Dean for furniture. We have Jay for racks and Nyron for power. Really appreciate you watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.